I started out with KB Max as our primary component of our digital transformation about a year and a half ago. KB Max is central to our digital transformation that we just went through. We basically changed every business process, and KB Max is the primary engine driving our manufacturing business. Prior to that, salespeople would talk to a customer, then they would transact with the customer, and then they would draw a picture on a piece of paper, and then they would give it to manufacturing. Obviously, we're not all artists, and so it was a lot of times it was very difficult to translate what the customer wanted to actually what manufacturing could understand and actually, deliver for the customer. So with KB Max, we're able to not only show the customer what they're about to buy, but we're able to give manufacturing a tremendous amount of information and very consistent ways to build and create, the share of the customer's dreams.